أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Dear students, it's chapter number 3, plants growth, and topic is insectivores and carnivorous plants and aerobics and hydroponics. But today I will explain you insectivores and carnivorous plant and functions of roots. So open your textbook page number 60. Write date on at the top of the page. Dear students, here it is told that plants need nutrients beside their food. Okay, plants prepare their food in the form of glucose in their leaves, but they still need certain nutrients and mineral salts for their best growth. Okay, and these nutrients or minerals are supplied to the plants by the water that was absorbed by the roots. But there are certain plants that are not able to get these essential nutrients easily from the soil because they grow in the soil that is not rich in those nutrients, means it's poor in those nutrients. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given certain plants some adaptations to get these nutrients, and here these two plants are discussed. The first one is the pitcher plant, and the second one is Venus flytrap. Both these plants trap the insect body and then they digest that insect body to get the essential nutrients from its body, and after digesting they throw the remaining waste of the animal body outside. Okay, I will show you a video about it as well, but here you have to read the text that is given. The pitcher plant and a Venus flytrap are called insectivorous and carnivorous plants because they consume insects or small animals. Can these plants make food? Yes, they can make their food. They can make their food, then why there is a need for them to consume the animals? I have answered you that these plants make their food inside their leaves, but still they need some nutrients because the water that is absorbed by these plants lacks some nutrients and minerals. That soil is not rich in those nutrients. That's why these plants, to grow healthy, they trap the insect to get the needed nutrients. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given them this special adaptation. Okay, this is a pitcher plant, and these plants have chlorophyll and they can carry out the photosynthesis, but still they trap the insect or other small animals to get the nutrients because they usually grow in the soil which are poor in nutrients, and without nutrients plants cannot grow healthy. So students, underline these lines at page number 61, first paragraph. Now here, plants absorb nutrients from the soil in the form of mineral salts through their roots. And what is another function of the root beside their absorbing water and nutrients from the soil? You know that roots anchor the plant to the soil. They hold the plant in the soil and help it to stand straight. Okay, so plants roots give strength to the plant body to stand, help it to stand and to hold the soil firmly. And beside that, roots of the plant absorb the water as well as mineral salts from the soil. But these two plants are special in the sense that they grow in a soil that is not rich in nutrients, so they need some extra nutrients from the insect's body, and that's why they trap the insect, they catch the insect and digest its body to get the nutrient. Okay, now watch this video. In this video you are seeing the Venus flytrap, and when an insect sits on its body, they trap the insect body. See, they have trapped the insect body. In this way, they get the nutrients. They make their food, but to get the nutrients, they have to catch the animals or insects. Okay, see how they are behaving. These are their leaves to trap the insect body. Insects come to the leaves to catch their own prey, but they themselves becomes the prey of this plant. See how they are trapping the insect, and this look at the skeleton of the insect. After digesting its nutrients, they throw the animal's body outside. Oh, they have cached the insect in this way. Now look here. After digesting the animal's body, they throw the animal body outside. And look, this animal body has finished. There is nothing in its body. It's just a skeleton, or it's a hollow skeleton. Look, all the nutrients have been taken by the plant, and after eating it, the leaf opens and throw the body outside after digesting its all nutrients. Okay, so in this way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given them the ability to catch the insect and to digest the insect. It's mean these leaves have some digestive enzymes as well to digest this animal body. Like our stomach has the ability to digest our food, similarly these leaves have certain digestive enzymes that help these plants to digest the animal body. And after digesting, after getting the nutrients from the animal's body, they throw the skeleton or the waste outside, and then they catch another prey to get more nutrients. Okay, now it's finished. And certain plants have sticking on its body. Look, a fly sits on it and it has been trapped. Its legs have trapped in this plant. Okay, now look here. There is another clip for you. It's a pitcher plant. Look at the mouse. When it sits at the top of the plant, it slips inside the pitcher. Okay, look at closely. A mouse sits on the top of the pitcher plant and it comes to catch its own prey, but itself it becomes the prey of the plant. It slips and it fails to come out. It has been trapped by this plant. It's a pitcher plant. Okay, so I'm going to read and you have to underline these lines at your textbook. Some plants are called insectivores or carnivorous plant because they consume the insect and they consume small animals. Look, here is a mouse. When it sits at the top of the pitcher plant, it slips. It's mean there is a sticking or there is a slippery material present at the top of the pitcher plant. See, this animal has come to catch its own prey, but itself it becomes the prey of this plant. Okay, now look here. Insectivorous plants have the chlorophyll. Okay, you have to keep this thing in mind that these plants are able to make their food, but at the other than food they need some nutrient. That's why they attack or they trap or they catch the animals. They need the animal body to get the extra nutrients. Just like you take the food, you take your breakfast meals, but still you need some fruits to get extra vitamins and minerals. Okay, it's your body demand to take the milk, a glass of milk or 2 glass of milk daily, because you need calcium in your body to make your bones and your teeth strong. Similarly, plants need some extra nutrients other than food to make them strong, to make them healthy, and to give us healthy things, to give us healthy fruits. So plants need certain nutrients as well with their food as well. Okay, so these two plants are not able to get these essential nutrients from the soil. That's why they get their nutrients by trapping the or by attacking the insect body. Okay, you also take fruits daily. You also take or drink 2 or 1 glass of milk daily because you want to make your bones and your teeth strong. Okay, so just like that, these plants make the deficiency of the nutrients by trapping these insects. Now it's your homework. These two questions are about the functions of the plant root. These two short questions are there, and 6 question we have done. It's question 7. The function of plant roots, and explain why some plants and are called carnivores and insectivores. So the answer is root absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and it anchors the or holds the plant. Why some plants are called carnivores and insectivores? Because some plants consume insects, so they are called insectivores or carnivores. And the reason is these plants consume the insect body because they grow in the soil that has little or no nutrients. Examples are Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. So it's all about your today's lesson. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.